Djgaboulou. Don't forget, May 23rd is gonna be crazy inside TONEL Lounge. TONEL Lounge is the place to be. May 23rd. So maybe the petits amis, sérieux. Tout le monde dit qu'on bon bagage, il va tenir. May 23rd, Djgaboulou Big Bash. You already know what's going down. Djgaboulou from Le Noir. You already know, baby. Don't forget, the only place to be, May 23rd, it's all about TONEL Lounge. It's all about my big bash, baby. I've not played this, but I've not played one single guy. I've said, tap live. I'm pas notre detail dans la line-up là. Déjà consolé déjà. I've King Friends comme modèle compas. You already know the new song, the new hot songs. Take it all. Please don't let it go. I mean, TONEL Lounge, don't let that go. It's about Djgaboulou Big Bash. May 23rd, baby. Plus, we got all the best DJs in Brooklyn, baby. NYC DJs. It's all about DJ Stacks, DJ Scarly, DJ Rams, DJ Zoom, DJ Young Jazzy. You already know, baby. It's going down. Le Noir Entertainment. Djgaboulou, get ready for my birthday. C'est ça, ça n'a bon pour gift. Maintenant, nous tout chéri. Djgaboulou, chéri. Faites ce Haïti là, comme fêter avec nous. Maintenant, 23 mai, Djgaboulou, live, à TONEL Lounge.
I think I'm seeing different work. One nation, underdog. Real niggas need money from the.
Au New York, c'est Djgaboulou qui a tenté le tout. Avec ça, on va mettre tout ça.